Take control with card management features. Visa card management features put you in control. Access our online wealth services through the mobile app or via desktop. Navigate to the card management section and help protect your money by turning on notifications and receive an SMS each time you use your Visa card. If you don't recognize a transaction, you can take action immediately. Misplaced your card? Freeze your debit card so it can't be used while you search for it. Once you have found it, simply unfreeze and continue to use it as normal. If you lose your debit card or it is stolen, you can cancel it in just a few clicks, saving valuable time and protecting your money. You can order a replacement just as easily. When your new card arrives, simply log in to activate it. Limit your card to the countries where you use it, giving yourself peace of mind. Planning a trip? Quickly and easily change your settings to new regions. Take control with card management features.